Percent. Change the percent to a decimal number. 6.75%. In order to change percentages to decimals, we have to divide by 100. Therefore, we'll take 6.75 and divide by 100 on our calculator. When we do this, we get a decimal of 0.0675. We can also change the percent to a decimal by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. For example, if we have 6.75, we'll locate the decimal and move it 2 places to the left, giving us the same answer as 0.0675. We always write a 0 in front of the decimal point for formality. Find percent notation for 0.378. Here we have a decimal number and we want to convert it to a percentage. To do this, we'll take the decimal and we'll multiply by 100. If you do this on the calculator, we'll get a percent of 37.8. We can also do this without using a calculator by moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So if we have 0.378, we'll locate the decimal and move it 2 places to the right, giving us a percent of 37.8. Find percent notation. Here we have a fraction and we want to write it as a percentage. In order to do that, you divide the top number by the bottom number. So if we use our calculator, we'll type in 5 divided by 16. This will give us a decimal of 0.3125. We want a percent. So now that we have a decimal, we can simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right or multiply by 100 to get a percent of 31.25.